The BIM Suggest tool lets you modify a connection once and use it multiple times in your BIM model. Here's the general workflow for BIM Suggest. First, we'll activate some sections in our BIM. Next, we'll model the connection between a wall and a floor slab. Use the quad to activate the BIM Suggest tool. We select the slab and the wall as input. BIM Suggest will search the model for locations that are similar to our original selection. When the search is completed, the visual style will change to X-ray. All of the locations where this connection can be applied are highlighted with a green check mark. You can toggle suggested connections off by left-clicking their green checkmark icon. When you toggle the green checkmark icons, they turn into red X's. The green icon with the multiple check marks indicates that there are more locations where this connection can be applied, but they are hidden because of an active section. Left-clicking it reveals these locations. When you've toggled the connections you want, press Enter to apply. Let's check the results. Notice that the lower floor slab has not been adjusted. This is due to our manual toggle of this connection. We see that all the other floors show the updated connection as desired.